In 2026, digital skills will open doors. Certificate only will not. And it's very important you prove your value with real work, not just with paperwork. Focus on the skills that solve business problems. So in this video, I'll be talking about 7 digital skills you can learn going into 2026. But remember, these are not fast money-making machines. It requires some level of progression, consistency, and daily effort to get the best out of these skills. The first digital skills I'll be talking about in this video is AI integration and workflow automation. Why does these skills matter? Most businesses waste time or hours on repetitive tasks. These tasks slow teams down, increase error most time, and some of these tasks include manually replying emails, sometimes copying from one spreadsheet to another, posting the same content across multiple platforms, manually generating invoice and payment reminders. All of this can be automated through AI. So when you automate these processes, businesses save time, they reduce costs, and this makes it easy to sell this kind of skills to them. Where and how to learn? Start on YouTube. You can search for platforms like N8N beginner tutorial or Make Automation tutorial. These are platforms that enables you to learn how to build AI automation for free for a start. Then you can learn by building from day one. How do you gain real life experience? Build automation for your own life first. Example, it could be creating automation that sends calendar reminder or summarizing email or voice assistant. How to land your first client after learning automation? First, you can do a recording of the automation you built for yourself, explaining the problem and the time it saves. With that, you can send this video and offer automation repetitive tasks for other businesses as well. So you might want to go online and check tutorials on N8N or Make. The second skills I'll be talking about in this video is search engine optimization and generative engine optimization. Why does these skills matter? Visibility drives revenue. If customer cannot find a business, sales will stop. Search now include both Google and AI answer tools. How do you learn this search engine optimization and generative engine optimization? You can follow SEO Educator on YouTube. You can watch YouTube videos and learn how all of this work. You can even study some free documentation from this AI platform like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini online, just to have experience. You can do some practical things by writing content to answer questions clearly and directly yourself. You can just start by creating a WordPress website or a blog. Publish an article, optimize this website, optimize this blog, and see how they perform in terms of SEO or generative engine optimization. How to get your first job learning these skills. Some of the things you can do is that you can run a free audit for small business. You can go to their website, audit their website, then show them the clear gaps and one priority fix you will do to make them more visible on these search engines. The third skills I'll be talking about in this video is data analysis, visualization, and dashboard building. This is a very big skill that is trending in 2025, which is going to be doing well as well in 2026. Business collects data but struggles to understand it. Clear dashboards can improve their decision. If you are good in data analysis and visualization, it could be a very good edge for you going into 2026. How do you learn? How do you gain experience? You can go to platforms like Udemy, Coursera to take some courses on data analysis to get started. One of the things you can do to gain real experience is to go online and find free database where you can get information. There are several databases online where you can get data to practice what you've watched on YouTube about data analysis. Then you can use tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or Local Studio Power BI to practicalize what you've learned through all of these tutorials or courses online. How do you land your first client? After learning this process, publish what you've done online. It's very, very important. Publish the dashboards you've created, what you've done, your practical experience. Publish this online, and you can find businesses, especially founders. You can go into their DMs on LinkedIn, sharing what you've done with them and telling them how you can help them do that as well for their businesses. This could be a better way, an easy way for you to land your first clients after learning these skills. The first skill I'll be talking about in this video is performance marketing and paid ads. Why does these skills matter? Businesses pay for results. Ads that produce leads and sales remains in demand. Every business wants to make more sales, they want more leads. So how do you learn this skill? There are practically videos available on YouTube which you can watch on how to get started on paid ads. Also, there are free resources you can go online and enroll for their courses to get started. Example are Skillshare by Google, Meta Blueprint courses. These are courses you can learn for free. How do you gain real life experience? You can run a test campaign with small budgets. You don't need to start with the big budget. You can track what your result is in terms of the targets, the choice, the copy, and performance of what you've done. Then you can use this as your first case study. You can then go out and talk to small businesses by managing their ads, offering them prices that tie to performance for a start so that you can get your first clients. Also, some of the things you can do, you can go online and find some stuff with weak ads. You can go into Facebook ad library, Google Transparency ads library to see companies or small business with weak ads, so you can show them how to optimize their ads and how to fix those issues they have with their ads. Fifth skill I'll be talking about in this video is no-code app development. Businesses need custom tools, but many cannot afford full developer to build from scratch. There are a lot of platforms out there which you can use to build no-code app development, like Lovable, Bubble, and Glide. So what you can do, you can go online and look for a website, try to recreate that in this platform and see what you can get in terms of experience. Let's say you can build a customer feedback app for small business, design the interface, then connect the database. This could give you like a real practical experience to get started in no-code app development. How do you get your first client? You can build a free app for a small business around you. Once you share this project with them, you can use this as a testimonial to pitch to other organizations to build something similar. The 6 skills I'll be talking about is cybersecurity fundamental. This is a very demanding skill in 2025 and it's going to be skyrocketing as well in 2026. Small and big businesses face digital risk and weak protection. It's very important you consider skills like this. You can start with some free courses online on cybersecurity. If you have some money as well, you can look into all this Udemy or Coursera just to take some courses, some paid courses on the fundamental of cybersecurity. You can gain experience yourself by studying live phishing example just to localize what you've learned during the process of studying. So how do you make money from this? You can offer some basic security audits. The 7 skills I'll be talking about in this video is video editing for social platform. Why is this important? Video drive attention, communication, and sales. A lot of business, a lot of people doesn't have these video editing skills and they shoot video. They want an engaging and attention grabbing videos to post on their social accounts. Most businesses and people doesn't have the time to edit. So one of the things you can do is that you can go online and learn how to edit videos. There are tons of videos on YouTube on how to get started with video editing, and there are software as well you can get started with. There are Adobe, there are DaVinci, there is CapCut. There's a lot. Just go on YouTube, search for videos that teaches people on how to use those software to edit videos and get started. You can recreate short videos using stock footage. You can go to places like Pixabay to download these videos. Try to edit yourself after going to learning or watching videos on YouTube to see what you can create. Publish videos you edit just to get your personal branding out there. You can use platforms like TikTok, Instagram to push your editing to people. There are various ways you can make money with video editing skills. You can start by editing some podcast clips for creator. You can create ad video for online brands. Sometimes you don't need to start with paying client. You can edit a free reel for a local artist within your just tag them when posting. Most time this kind of ads could lead to a paid lead for you because you did something for free. But it's very important you have a framework for yourself that will help you to learn these skills to the level of you getting a client. So this video I'm talking about 90 days consistency framework which you can use to learn. Use the daily proof method. Each day you spend 1 hour, 30 minutes for learning and 30 minutes for building and practicing. Each week, complete one small project and publish it online. After 90 days, you 12 real projects. If you follow this consistently, this portfolio will now become your proof of skill. So the fear in 2026 will not be missing on viral trend. The real fear will be becoming relevant as automation accelerates. Your protection is a high-value digital skills that produce results. If you enjoyed this video, please follow me, like and share this video. Also, if there's any skills you want me to go deeper and dive into more out of the skills I've mentioned in this video, please kindly comment in the section below. I'm gonna try my best to do a video about it.